guys, and welcome back to another video on our YouTube channel. Today we're making French toast. Four eggs, or more if you want to make more of this. This is for 10 bread, but yeah, if you want like 20 bread or something, you just have to double the ingredients. So 4 large eggs, and then you add a pinch of salt, 3 tablespoons sugar, then you add cinnamon and the milk, then you mix it well. You also want to add a quick splash of vanilla extract just to have that vanilla taste, but you don't have to have it. Then after mixing it well, you can add the bread. Dip it really quick. You don't want to have it a long time there, because then it will get a lot soggier and it wouldn't have that bread texture. It's better with the bread texture. As I said, it's really simple, and now your French toast is ready. I hope you guys like this, and I hope you try this at home. It's really simple but really tasty at the same time. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.